So obviously this is a school, and according to one local here, it was established like 3 years ago, and there's a community who been called and decide for something to be built in here for the community who live here. They can easily go to this school. So obviously remote kaayo siya, and then look at this, still unfinished. So without knowing this community or what's going on around here, why the schools such as this having small community, nobody can say, nobody can know what's going on. But for me, this is just a simple face of corruption. No, tingnan mo, oh, meron bang pinatayo na hindi man lang tinapos, sa tinahayaan naman lang yung resources na mabulok. Morning! Habang yung mga kabataan ay bumababa pa para mag-aral. Good morning! So according daw sa local na yon, na I think lola niya, nag-meeting daw yung community on how to build up, kasi tumutulong yung mga tao dito, walang bayad. Sa pagkakaalam ko, meron talaga yung pondo para sa labor, ha, pero ang mga tao dito so eager to help and put up building a school or helping putting up. So for me, na taga syudad, who would have known? Pero dahil may alam naman tayo sa kaganapan, sa korupsyon ng ating bansa, alam natin kung ano ito. Hello! Naguba, eskulahan na ya? Te, diin ka na subong eskwela. Oh, wala pa ni naguba? Guba sa bagyo? Oh. So asa di si teacher? Ang nasayang na resources.